Hello everybody, I am Manoranjan Ray, Director PM Academy, Mumbai. Today I am delivering a small lecture on what after graduation. Generally in India, lakhs of the students they appear the graduation exam every year, either arts or science or the commerce. And after graduations, many of the students, lakhs of the students in the number, they try their the best to get a government job in the various ways. So some students try to be a clerk, some try to be a bank officer, some try to be a defense officer, some try to be a magistrate or the collector, or you can say police officer or income tax officer, sale tax officer or railway officers. So Government of India conducts the various exams. Besides, the state government also conducts the various state government services by their the public service commissions or by any other by the various ways. So lakhs of the students they appear. So students generally after graduations, so you will find large number of the students in the stream of arts, science and the commerce. They are very popularly known as BA, BSc, BCom. Now that depends upon the students how they are the preparing for their the how they are preparing to be selected in their the services. Now for example, if the students are not sincere, not you can say like knowledgeable, it is very difficult for them to be selected. So it is my honest request to the students to be sincere, to be dutiful, or to be punctual in their studies, and to read the various magazines, newspapers, and update themselves with the current affairs. Then they can be successful. Thank you very much.